All right, welcome back to Plain and Simple Projects. Today we are just going to replace the battery on this Vivo Fit Jr. 2, and the Vivo Fit Jr. 1 is the same replacement process. So we're going to talk through how we do that. So I just basically pull this here and this slips out. So we have basically the module, the pod that holds the watch itself. This is just a silicone holder here. And it's just a small Phillips head screwdriver on the back. If you've done any work with a cell phone, you'll have something that will work just fine for that. And basically just unscrew those and pull them out, put them somewhere that you won't lose them. So pull those out. Okay. All right. So this one comes out too. So there's only 4 screws in the back, and you'll notice there's going to be a silicone gasket that makes this water resistant. And pop that out. Okay. So here's the battery. Right here. And then we have basically this silicone gasket. That is waterproof, and we'll leave that where it is. We don't want that to be disturbed because that is still good. Alright, so you can see the original battery with the negative side pointing up right here. So we're just going to replicate that with the old battery. So this is actually a CR1632. We could take this out of this particular one and look at the old one, but we'll see that here. I just use a screwdriver. And we'll just basically take, so you can see the 1632 on it, 3 volts, what we want. The positive side here, you can see that on the actual unit itself. There's the positive side. So we're just going to do it exactly as they've done it here. So I'm going to take this off of this thing here. I'm going to place this here, just kind of like a little mat there that holds it. So there we go. And then we'll just put these back together, careful not to move this silicone piece. That's our gasket. See, that's what we want. Okay, now it looks like it's sealed. There's no gasket coming out. It looks like it did what it's supposed to. Then we'll push these back in here. There we go. So just, there was no tightening sequence on the instructions. It's just whatever works. Works here. So I love these small screwdrivers.
They really help with this situation, don't they?
They do.
I always have these on hand whenever you have a kid watch.
That's true. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. All right, so it's tight. We don't want to over tighten them, but just tight enough you can see that's there's not any space in here anymore. It's sealed itself back up. This is the old battery here, and then now we'll take the
Old battery.
We'll take the thing here. You can kind of see there's actually 2 sides. One's a long side and one's a short side. And here's the you see it's already turned back on. So we'll go ahead and push this in the long side, and then I just basically pull it over the short side here.
That's the hardest part.
Yeah, move that back to the short side.
Putting it back in. It's always hard.
There it goes, just like that. So you just basically pull it. It's elastic since it's silicone. And then now we'll resync it and we'll reset the time on the watch. It'll be all set. That's it. Thanks for watching.